Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all of you. Now I have shared some instructions. Don't raise hand during the teaching. Ask question at the end of the session only on a chat box. Use hand free if you are using mobile and headphones for computer use. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Take care of time for attending the class. Home task, home task should be done in your fair copy of the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join teaching again with 5 to 10 minutes. Now I have shared the steps of screenshot. For taking a screenshot of your computer screen, follow these steps. Identify and press the print screen button which is placed above numeric keys. Open Paint software, then press Ctrl V, then press Ctrl S and save it in your computer. For taking a screenshot, through your smartphone, search the steps of taking a screenshot on Google. Now, we have started the unit number 4, Data Communication and the Computer Network. Now, our selected topic of Board of Secondary Education are components of the communication system. Now, first one is what is a communication system? The transfer of information from one place to another place using some sort of medium is called communication. The information could be is sound or visual or any other form. Now, there are following category of communication. Number 1 is verbal communication. Number 2 is non-verbal communication. Number 3 is written communication. Number 4 is visualization communication. Now, first one is verbal communication. Verbal communication is the use of words to share information with other people. It can therefore include both spoken and written communication. However, many people used to term of this is only spoken communication. Verbal communication which include face-to-face, telephone, radio, or television and other media. Next heading is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication covering body language, gestures, how we dress or act, where we stand, and even our sound. There are many subtle ways that we communicate, perhaps even unintentionally with other. For the example, the tones of the voice can give clues to mood or the emotional state. Whistle, hand signals, or the gestures can add to the spoken message. Nonverbal communication is also type of the communication do not involve the exchange of words. Visual expressions, facial expression, cloth, walk, body, posture, skin colors, hairstyle, touch, distance, time management, body language. Next heading is written communication, which include letters, emails, social media, magazines, the internet, and the other media. Until recent times, and relatively small numbers of writers and the publisher were very powerful when it comes to communicating the written word. Today we can also write and publish our ideas online, which has led into the exploration of information and communication possibility. Written communication is important for schools, work, and very daily activities. In the workplace, written communication skills are needed for the written emails, office memos, reports, and business letters. Some people have difficulty putting their thought into the word. Other people find it easier to communicate by using written communication skill. Written communication skill can be improved through practice. Reading newspapers and books may help improve writing skill. Next heading is visualization. Visualization is a technique where individuals practice mental repetition or see themselves performing desired tasks. This technique has been shown in increased performance, physical strength, and effective responses to the exercise. It has wide application to the athletes and general population. Visualization graphs and the chart map logo and the other visualization can also communicate messages. Next heading is types of communication system. There are two types of communication: baseband communication, carrier communication. Number one is base-based communication. The type of communication that doesn't need to modulation for the transmission of the single signal of terms as a baseband communication. The signal that transmitted is said to be baseband signal or message signal. Baseband signals has sizable power, so it has to be transmitted through a wire, occasional cables or fibers. In communication, this band is used the band of frequencies where the transmitter and the receiver communicates. Telephony audio band 0 to 3.5 kHz. K means kilohertz. And the television radio bands 0 to 4.3 MHz. M is megahertz. In baseband communication, the baseband signals are transmitted without modulation. Short distance communication, casual cables, optical fibers, local telephone, short haul PCM, long distance PCM over optical fibers. Next heading is carrier communication. The type of the communication which required the modulation of the signals for the transmission is called the carrier communication. In modulation, the original signals in superimposed on the carrier signal with a higher frequency range, which can be easily transmitted using the antenna. There are different components of the communication system. Number one, source, input listener, transmitter, channels, receiver, output listener, destination, message sender, medium, and protocol. First one is the source communication. The source is something which organize the message. It can be human voice, camera videos, type messages, or data. A source or sender is one of the basic concepts of communication and information processing. Sources are objects which encode messages, data, and transmit in the information via a channel to one or more observer or receiver. In the strict sense of the word, particularly information theory, a source is a process that generates messages, data that one would be like to communicate or reproduce as exactly as a possible place where in space of the time. A source may be modulated as memorized memorized stationary or the stick in order to increase generally. A transmitter can be either and the device. For example, an antenna and a human transmits. For example, a speaker, the word transmitter derives from the emitter. That would say that emit use the Hertz waves. In sending mail, it also refers to the person or the organization that sends a letter and whose address is in written on the envelope of their letter. In finance, ensure can be example of the bank system element. In education and user is any person or the thing that give knowledge of the student for example professor. Next heading is the input tracer. A tracer is a sensor which convert any other from pressure, light or the signal into the electrical sign. Input tracers convert any other form of energy into the electrical signal. This electrical signal is information which need to be transmitted. Need to be transmitted. Next is the transmitter. The transmitter is a circuit which modified the input electrical signals into the suitable form of the transmit. It through an antenna. The transmitter contain a modulator in baseband communication. The modulator is not necessary to modulator superposes as the baseband signal into a carrier signal with high frequency. Due Due to modulation, the signal frequency range shift in the higher frequency range. This modulated signal is ready for efficient transmission through the specified medium. In this block diagram of communication system, the upper section is called the transmitting. Yes, upper section is called the transmitting section. Next is the channel. Channel is the medium by which the modulated signals transmitted to the receiver. Wires, coaxial cable, radio link, and optical fiber and the waves guide are the example of the channel. Unfortunately, there are noises into the channel which also adds up and modify the transmitted signals. Next heading is the receiver. The receiver receives the transmitted signal. The receivers consist of the demodulator and the modulator demodulates the received signals. Modulate signals use demodulation techniques and recover the baseband signals, original signal. The ratio communication and radio receivers, also known as the receiver. A wireless or simply a radio is the electronic device that receives radio waves and convert the information carried by them to usable form. It is used with an antenna. The antenna interprets radio waves, electromagnetic waves, and convert them to the tiny alternating currents which are applied to the receiver, and the receiver is active in the Z information received use electronic filter to the separate the desired ratio frequencies. Signal from all other the signals pick up the antenna and electronic amplifier to increase the power of the signals for the further processing, and finally receivers that desired information through them and demodulation. Radio receivers Radio receivers are an essential component of all the systems that use radio. The information produced by the receiver may be in the form of sound, moving images, televisions, or digital data. A radio receiver may be stepped. Next heading is sender. The definition of the sender is someone who cases something to be sent to the reception, also known as the source of the transmitter. A sender is device that organize and generate and the information transfer of one or more receiver. See also receiver and transmitter. A component of the electromagnetic across crossbar, X bar, or panel switch is sender receives dial digits from the register or the routing information from the translator and the send the appropriate dial digit across the turn on the logical station equipment. See also panel switch, register, translator, and the X bar. Next heading the output listener. The output listeners convert the electrical signals into its original form because we need the original messages that the source of the organized in convert into the form which can be understood by the destination unit. Next is the destination. The purpose of for which something is the predetermined on the distance and act of the pointing setting aside for the purpose or predetermining and pays to the which one of the journey on the which something is sent when the package had reached in the destination keep their destination straight. A message is a discrete unit of the communication. Indeed, by the source of incubation by the some reception of the group of recipients. The message may be delivered by the various means, including courier, telegraphy, carrier pigeon, and the electronic bus. A message can be the content of the broadcast and effective exchange of the message form of the communication between humans. Messages can be verbal or non-verbal. A verbal message is the or exchange of information using words. Examples include face-to-face communication, telephones, calls, voicemails, etc. A non-verbal messages is communicate through action or the behavior rather than word by the use of the body language variation. There are two main senses of the word message in computing. Message between them human users of computer system that are delivered by those computer systems and messages passes between program or the between component of the signals program for their own purpose. Instant messaging and the emails and the example of the computer software designed for delivering human readable messages in format for the unformatted text from one person to another. Message passing is a form of communication use of concurrent and parallel computing object-oriented programs, and the channel communication where communicate is made by the sending message to receive. In a related use of this sense of a message in object-oriented programming language, such as main library, Java message is sent the object specifying as a request for the action. Next is the medium. In the communication process, and medium is a channel or system of the communication that means by the which by which information the message is transmitted between a speaker or writer, the sender and the audience, the receiver, the plural form of the media, and the term in also known as the channel. The medium used to send a message may range a form of the individual voice, writing, clothing, and body language form of the mass communication such as the newspaper, television, and internet. Next is the protocol. Protocol are the rules and the procedure on the which computer exchange data on network. Sender and receiver follow some protocols is communicate with each other. In other words, A protocol is a agreement between two parties on vendors using communication devices. Next is the properties of the good communication. Next heading is the properties of a good communication system. Number one is delivery. Number two is accuracy. Number three is the timeline. Number four is the competencies. Number five is the incising considerations, considerations, consistency, and clearness and correctness. First one is a delivery, making sure that the data is delivered in the first fundamental characteristic of any communication network. The system must be able to deliver data into correct order into the correct destination. Second is the accuracy. The system must deliver the data accurately, data that has been altered during the transmission and left uncorrected and not the useful. Third one is a timeline. Timelines, the data must be delivered into the timely manner. Let deliver data in the useless. Fourth is completeness. Effective communication are the complete. The receiver get all the information has needs to process the message and take action. A complete message reduces the need for the follow-up question and the strengthen the communication process. Next is the concising. Concising is about keeping your message to the point. This is more about the content of your message rather than its length. Even a short memo can include relevant or the redundant information. Consonances help the receiver focus on the word important, speed up the processing of information, and caters for the improved understanding. The consideration affecting communication take into the account the receiver's background and the point of view. If your message hits of the nerve or sound as the disrespectful or emotional reaction of the receiver, might affect the perception of your message. Also, tailoring your message to your audience by using argumentation and example which are relevant to their experience. Make it easier for them to process the content. Heading is concurrent tense. The concurrent message is a specific, tangible wave. It's supported by the effect and the figure for the enhanced credibility. It helps your audience and gain in the our views of the broader picture. Concurrence mitigate the risks of the missurrounding surrounding foster trust and the encourage of constructive criticism. Next is the courtesy. Courtesy and the consideration complement each other of the effective communication. Courtesy means respecting the receiver's cultures, values, and beliefs in crafting a message that is genuinely polite and unbiased. Next is the clearness. The clear your message, the easier to get it for the receiver to decode it according to your original intent. While this sound obvious, must communication fit us organize from the look of the clarity want to deliver an fact message. Start with the clear communication goal and the accurate thought. Clear communication build on the exact terminology and the accurate word to reduce ambiguity and the confusion in the communication process. Next is the greatness, correctness, correct grammar and the syntax. Watch for the increasing effectiveness and credibility of your message. Formal errors, mind fact, the clarity of your message triggers ambiguity and risk doubt. The mind also has the negative impact on the overall preparation of the message, which could be seen as the sloppy or nightly. Okay. Now this is your home task. Write the components of the communication system and explain it. Write the components of the communication system and explain. The purpose for this something is the predetermine on the distance as the act of the pointing, setting as the purpose, and predetermining a place of which one of the journey or to which something is the sent when the package has reached its destination kept in their destination set. A message is described in unit of the communication intended by the source for the consideration by the some repetition of the group of the representation as a message may be delivered by the various means, including courier, telegraphy, carrier pigeon, and the electronic bus. A message can be the content of the broadcast in the interactive exchange of the message for the con. Communication between human message can be verbal or non-verbal. A verbal message is the exchange of the information using word. Example include face-to-face communication, telephone call, voicemails. A non-verbal message is communicated through action and the behavior rather than the word by the use of the body language variable. There are two main sense of the word message in computing messages between the human users of the computer system that are the delivered by those computer system and messages pass between program between the component and the signal program for their own purpose. In the communication process of the medium is the channel or system of communication, the means by which information the message is transmitted between the speaker or writer, the sender and the audience, the receiver, the pure form of media, and the term is also known as the channel. The medium used for the send message may range from the individual voice, writing, clothing, and body language for the fast communication such as the newspaper, television, and the internet. Protocol. The protocol are the rules and the procedure for which computer exchange data or the network sender and receiver follow same protocol and communicate with each other. In other words, a protocol is an agreement between two parties and a vendor use communicating device. Delivery, accuracy, timeliness, completeness, conclusions, consideration, concurrentness, correctness, clearness, and correctness. This is your home task. Write the component of the communication system and explain it. Home task. Write the components of a communication system and explain it. Thank you and Allah.